Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Aparna and in today's video we are going to talk about vaccine. As you all know that the whole world is searching for the coronavirus vaccine, that is COVID-19 vaccine. So, so the term vaccine, what does the vaccine means? Let's study. So, according to the definition, a vaccine is a biological preparation that provides active acquired immunity to a particular infectious disease. Okay, a vaccine, a vaccine is a preparation that helps us to gain the immunity from a particular disease. A vaccine typically contains an agent that resembles a disease causing microorganism and is often made from weakened or killed forms of the microbe, its toxins, or one of its surface proteins. Now, this point I will explain it further in detail. So, just skip this point and move to the further point. So, the definition: what is the vaccine? The definition is the agent. It's not the definition, it's the continuous form of the previous point. The agent stimulates the body's immune system to recognize the agent as a threat, destroy it, and to further recognize and destroy any of the microorganism associated with that agent that it may encounter in the future. What the agent in the vaccine present does is it stimulates our body's immune system, and it recognizes the agent present the agent the agent moving to our body as a threat, destroy the agent, and further okay, this happens when the vaccination is done. The further agent, the agent which is a threat to us, re- uh, also recognizes it and destroy the microorganism, bacteria or virus associated with it, and destroy it in the future also. Not only now, but it also destroys it in the future also. So whenever the agent encounter us in our body in the future or now, then it destroys then it destroys the agent. Okay, so now let's before moving to the second point that I have mentioned you, that I will explain it. So before explaining it, let's move to the concept of antigen and antibody. Okay, so what is antigen and what is antibody? So antigen is nothing but a dead or alive bacteria, virus, or microorganism that enters in our body. Okay, what is antigen? Bacteria, virus, or microorganism that enter in our body, whether it is dead or alive, is called as antigen. Now, this antigen may cause or create harmful effects in our body that causes us to various diseases. Okay, due to the antigen, various diseases may occur in our body or to us. Okay, so for example, now it's the time of COVID-19. So coronavirus that enters in our body is a antigen that is harmful for us. Okay, so it's an antigen. Now what is antibody? Okay, now what is antibody? Antibody is a shield that protects us from the antigen. Okay, what is antibody? Antibody is a shield that protects us, or we can say that it kills the antigen when it enters in our body. Now antibody is not a hereditary, is not something that is hereditary. That is not something it is associated with our birth. It develops in our body through time. Okay, antibody develops in our body through time. When any antigen enters in our body, now enters in our body, then to it takes time to for antibody to develop. So for it, when we it takes some time to for antibody to develop in our body. So there are some damages that antigen can give us. So now what I'm saying is, antigen, uh, until the antibody becomes until the antibody becomes active, it can also occur that antigen has already reacted, has already causes the damage, or it causes the diseases for us. Okay, so for for that antigen not causing the harmful effects in our body, we have to give an antibody. We have to make an antibody before before the antigen react, before the antigen enters in our body. So for it, we so for this, there is a vaccination. As you have seen, anti antigen antibody cannot be developed unless antigen enters in our body. So what a vaccination do is, now we are moving to the second point that we have left. What is a vaccine? A vaccine is a typically an agent. Okay, what it contains, it a vaccine contains that agent, or we can say that antigen that resembles, okay, that is dead, that resembles the disease. Okay, what it is saying, the antigen which causes particular disease, that antigen which causes the particular diseases are an agent in the vaccine which causes microorganism and is often made from weakened or killed forms. Okay, the antigen which is weakened or in the or it is dead form, or it is in the dead form, is when we do the vaccination, or it is when a vaccine is there, a vaccine contains the weakened or killed forms of the microbe or its toxins. So when that vaccination enters in our body, okay, when that vaccine enters in our body, when we do the vaccination process, it is basically the antigen that is dead or not causes much harmful effects to our body enters in our body, so that antibody can create it. Okay, so that antibody can be made naturally, so that antibody can be made naturally, or it it can protect us from the dead, from the hard, so that it can protect us from the antigen which can cause us various, which can cause us severe diseases. Okay, so what I'm saying is, and a vaccination contains the antigen of that particular disease, of that particular disease. So when the vaccination is given to us, the dead bacteria microorganism that is not harmful for us creates an antibody, so that whenever that harmful bacteria, virus or microorganism enter in our body, it that the enters in our body, then antibody can react to it, can protect us from that harmful virus, bacteria or organism. Okay, I hope that you have understood the concept of antigen and antibody. If you have not understood that, please let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you. And also, this video is also available in Hindi language also. The link is in the description. So if you haven't understand it fully, then please go and watch the Hindi version also. Thank you.